Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the SSL certificate from GoDaddy. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into GoDaddy and then click on your profile icon at the top right. You'll get this drop down. Click on My Products. Okay, now from here I want you to click on SSL certificates. Okay, come here, click on Manage, and then I want you to go ahead and just click on a download to download your SSL certificate. Now, if your download button is not available, all you need to actually do is click here on rekey and manage instead to, rekey the SSL certificate. This will basically give you temporary access to the download button, and you can easily go ahead and grab the SSL certificate files. Okay, so you just click on this plus icon by change encryption algorithm and or certificate issuer. Okay, you get these options and then choose the issuer encryption method. Click on save, submit the changes, and then you should get the download button available again after about 30 minutes. And then it's really that easy. You will get your SSL certificate. Okay? And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.